Hi, good evening. Uh, in this video particularly, I would like to explain about a special workshop session which we are going to conduct and which we are going to introduce particularly for student community, those who are studying, those who are doing graduation or those who are studying distance education, and even for them who wants to work for part time, and even for homemakers as well. This workshop session is very much helpful for these sort of people, homemakers, those who wants to work as part time, and even for students as well, 16 to 18 years of students as well. So this workshop session particularly is being conducted from our company, SEO Ad Space Academy, so which is known as Freelance Workshop session. So here we will be discussing about a lot of freelance opportunities, online job opportunities, part-time jobs, work from home opportunities as well. So in this session particularly, we will be listing out the number of platforms, online platforms, where we can present our skills, whether it is basic or advanced, where we can present our skills and where we can work online and generate good amount of income. So in this session particularly, in brief, we will be giving two opportunities for the attendees or for the students who come for this session. Mainly, we show the opportunities online where we can present our skills and work and earn. And the second opportunity is directly we will be recruiting part-timers, those who can work as part-time. So for such people, even we give opportunity, our company gives opportunity to work with us. So here the basic fundamentals and requirements are: there is no stringent or mandatory education levels. It can be started with intermediate or diploma or graduation, whatsoever, and even homemakers who can spare some time. The minimum time to spare in order to take up these kind of jobs or works is minimum of 2 hours per day. That is mandatory. So 2 hours you need to spend, and it is enough. Basic skill sets are with basic education, with basic English knowledge, basic English writing and reading, nothing advanced, and basic computer skills are required, computer or internet browsing skills. So hope this is not a tough job. Many hundreds and thousands of people are looking into it, looking into such opportunities. So by keeping in mind, we have designed this session, workshop session, which will be helpful for thousands of people, maybe in Andhra, out of Andhra. We are ready to serve all India. We are ready to expand this session. We are ready to offer this opportunity to other states, other people as well. So I request each and every one of you to please attend for this session. This workshop session is a very valuable session which gives step by step, with proven techniques and with income generated proofs and with guaranteed money paying opportunities. So in this session we will be covering all these points. So this is just a 200 rupees session, 199 rupees session. So we will be conducting only 2 days in a week. That will be in classroom, and even we have started giving online sessions as well for this particular workshop. So I request all of you, please share this information to your friends and family, and please attend for this wonderful valuable session which is called freelance workshop session. It is just 199 rupees. Please enroll. I'm just leaving our website link, webpage link down there. Please click, see, just read, go through the web page. You will get all the details and just straight away enroll for the session. So this gives a clear cut idea about freelance works, online part-time opportunities and work from home opportunities. Remind you, in this session we will be covering two opportunities. One is straight away the availability in online, how we can tap online jobs and online opportunities with our basic skills. And the second one is even we filter out students and participants, and we give opportunity from our company as well, SEO Ad Space Academy. So here, after this session, you can straight away start your work online, start working online, and you can generate online income and part-time income. So the potential here is, it ranges from maybe 3,000 rupees per month to even 15,000-20,000 rupees per month. So that is for sure. We will be giving the back-end support, the queries, the knowledge updation, whatsoever. We will be giving it to you. That is free of cost. Firstly, I recommend all of you to attend for this session and get a complete knowledge about the overall opportunities available right now in online. So get started. Check the web link in the description box or in the comment section. Click and enroll. Start now. Thank you.